Ice sinks in alcohol but floats in water rather than sink in it. It means ice is less dense than water. Due to its polar nature, the positive hydrogen end of one molecule attracts the negative oxygen end of another molecule and forms bonds. Such bonds, known as hydrogen bonds, are continuously made and broken, lasting for as little as 10 picoseconds. The bonds are relatively weak. Due to large number of bonds that can form, their influence is continuously felt. In fact, if there were no hydrogen bonds, water would boil off at hydrogen bonding is also responsible for water's role as one of the best solvents. Water is said to be closest to being the